Maria's Magic School. Clap your hands and sing with me. Let's learn letters A, B, C. A is for airplane. Fly up high, spread your arms and soar in the sky. B is for bunny. Hop, 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 wiggle your nose and never stop. C is for cat. Meow, meow, stretch like a kitty right here, right now. D is for drum. Bang, 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 tap on your knees and let it clang. E is for elephant. Stomp around, swing your trunk and shake the ground. F is for frog. Ribbit, ribbit, bend down low and take a big leap. G is for guitar. Strum, strum, play, pretend you're rocking the day away. H is for horse. Gallop, gallop, neigh, stomp your feet and run today. I is for insect. Buzz, buzz, fly, flap your hands and zoom through the sky. J is for jump. Up so high, reach the clouds up in the sky. K is for kangaroo. Hop, 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 bounce in a pouch and never stop. L is for lion. Roar, roar, show your paws and give one more. M is for monkey. Swing, 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 scratch your head and laugh, ding, ding. N is for nose. Sniff, 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 smell the flowers, what a whiff. O is for owl. Hoot, 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 big round eyes in a feathered suit. P is for penguin. Waddle, waddle, slide, flap your wings side to side. Q is for quack. Duck, 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 waggle and quack, oh what luck. R is for robot. Beep, boop, beep, move your arms and tap your feet. S is for snake. Slither, hiss, wiggle your arms just like this. T is for train. Chuck, 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 pull your arms and give a hug. U is for umbrella. Open up wide, twirl it around and spin side to side. V is for violin. Play, 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 slide your bow and sing away. W is for whale. Splash, splash, tail, blow some water and sing a whale tale. X is for xylophone. Ding, 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 tap your hands and let them ring. Y is for yawn. Stretch so wide, arms to the sky, open mouth so wide. Z is for zebra. Run, run, race, stripes are zigzag all over the place. Clap your hands, we've reached the end. Letters and sounds are now your friend. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like for more fun videos.